Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, lock the room and silence phones. This prevents background noise and remote triggers. You'll do a visual sweep first. Scan counters, lamps, vents, clocks, and cushions for odd gaps, wires, or lead. Once done, use a flashlight at low angle to reveal seams and pinholes, then plug wired earphones into your phone and walk slowly while listening for faint clicks or hiss that suggest a powered mic. Make sure to note suspicious finds. Next, you move into detailed detection. Perform an RF sweep over walls, outlets, and soft surfaces with a handheld detector, moving at walking pace so you don't skip intermittent transmitters. If no detector, record ambient audio on your phone for several minutes and analyze with headphones at higher gain to spot periodic clicks or voices. Once done inspecting powered devices, pull batteries and examine seams and bases of clocks, smoke detect. When you reach the final steps, document every discovery. Take clear photos of the device in place and surrounding area before you touch anything. You remove it carefully with gloves, note any serials, and preserve batteries, SIM, or SD cards in a sealed bag for analysis. If removal isn't possible, cut power and isolate the room. If you still can't locate anything, try a repeat sweep at night and during quiet hours, and use a second detector or another person to rule out blind spots. This usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.